Hello everyone, I am Chit Prexel Tigreyo from CPE, and today's video I'm going to explain to you about gradient descent, and we are using calculator. So before we go into calculator, so let's discuss about what is gradient descent and how it's different from the gradient ascent. So gradient descent is a fundamental optimization and algorithm widely used in machine learning to minimize the error or cost function of a model. So the goal of gradient descent is to find the optimal set of parameters like weights in a neural network that result in the lowest possible values of a cost function. So imagine na naa ka sa taas na mountain or in the peak of the mountain. So, imagine ka na unsaon ako pag-adto sa ubos or hill in a foggy weather. So, trying to reach the bottom. So, you can see the entire landscape, but you can feel the slope beneath your feet by consistently taking small steps in downhill, and you eventually na-reach nimo ang pinaka-lowest point. So, this is the same principle that or gradient descent follows. So, it takes steps in direction that most rapidly reduce the error. So, technically, the algorithm starts with an initial guess for the model parameters. Then it computes the gradient of the cost function with respect to each parameter, which tell us the direction of the steepest ascent. Since we want to minimize the function, we move in the opposite direction of the gradient. So, gradient descent is often compared to gradient ascent. So, ang kalainan nila is gradient descent is to find the minimum of the function. Unlike gradient ascent is used to find the maximum. So, the key difference lies in the direction. So, in short, if your goal is to mix, minimize a loss, as is often the case you supervised learning, so you use the gradient descent kung gusto gini mo mabatuan ang lowest point. Then, in the other hand, kung gusto naman sa mo mabatuan ang maximize function, such as likelihood or reward in a reinforcement learning, then use gradient descent. So, to understand this better, so mag-consider sa tag some practical examples in linear regression. Gradient descent is used to minimize a mean square error between the predicted and actual values. So the algorithm adjusts the slope and intercept of the regression by line step by step to reduce the logistic regression using maximum likelihood estimation often involves gradient ascent where the goal is to maximize the likelihood of the observed data given. So that's for definition and difference between gradient descent and gradient ascent. So let's go for kanang example. So first is mag-find sa tag function na gamitan natin polynomial function which is x squared. So x squared plus 4x, 4x plus 5. So atong gamitan na initial guess diri is 5. Then atong learning rate is 0. So tanawan na to. So iteration na to diri is 20. So as you can see in your screen, makita na to final result in iteration 20 is negative 1.92 and function of f of x is 1.0. So nara ang mga result in every iteration sa inyo. Makita ninyo. So magamit na to na later on sa plot. So here is the plot for that. So, kung magtala ka mo kung ano tulo na siya, so ang legend na ko is ang orange is ang f of x, then ang blue sa inyong screen is ang x. So, nara, as you can see, paubos siya. Like I said before na mura ka na ka sa peak sa mountain na kinahinay ka paubos, magpaubos. So, here is that. So, ato ang x diri is 3.60. So, here, 3.6. Then ato ang f of x nato diri is 32.36. So nasa taas. So 32.36. So sa ato na pong gradient is which is 14.0, 14.0. Then ang next is 11.22, then 8.96 and 7.116. Then paubos ta tama sa which is ang iteration is 0.20, which is nara 0.20, 1.76613. So, that's for 20 iteration. What if naman kung duha nga nato which is 50? So, 50, na-add na. So, as you can see sa inyong screen is, ganyan accent. Mapalugin na siya as pangitaon nila ang possible lowest value. So, as you can see sa screen, paubos na gid siya, which is, ang ganyan niya is 0.000250. So, that's for polynomial. How about naman how about imitan nato ni siya og exponential. So, exponential. So, xb, uh, x, try na daw, 4x, no, 4x, then gamitan natin initial na 0, then 0.05. Tao na to. Uy, na something wrong sa value. Kay wala nato na siya butang ano kasteres. So, wait. So, nara, sorry. Then 0.01 and 5. Try na to. Okay na natin result. So, as you can see sa screen, ang final iteration na to, final result sa iteration 20 is sa x is negative 17.84 and sa f of x is negative 71.37. So, pangintaan na itong gradient sa 20 which is ang 4. Next. So, hindi rin na siya. So, dito siya sa possible lowest point na paubos siya from 152 padulong siya dito sa 4. Kaya hinay-hinay na siya, possible, just for 20. How about naman sa 100 iteration? So, possible is nag-stuck na gid siya sa 4 lowest yung iteration sa gradient niya. So, let's about, the problem is, how about pwede na nato na siya magamit sa accelerator or sign? Yes, we need to try it. Try na to. So, say possible way. So, sin x plus x over 5. So, gamitan natin siya initial, no, wait lang, initial of 2 and learning of 0.01. Tayo nato sa ito in 130 iteration. So, na ang final result. So, 13 iteration, ang x na to is 3.72 and natong f of x is 198. So, as you can see sa screen, nakita nato na ato siya sa possible lowest point, which is atong possible lowest point diri is 0 or negative 0.799 ang iyang possible na lowest point. Then mabalik ta, so 30, makita ano nato na mataas ba siya? Yes. How about 100? Yes, nagani siya. Nana yung possible value yan nakuha. So, napadulong siya sa ubos, di balik na siya sa taas, then, so on niya. So, try na to is 300. Yes, taas na siya. So, nakuha na niya ang lowest point. So, how about sa quartic polynomial. So, nara siya. Wait, sorry. So, x 4 dahil I know minus na ito gamitin natin 4 times x times 3 plus 4 times x ayan to. So, atong learning rate nato diri is 0.01 then nato is 3 pasakto ba? On. This siya sa pinakaubos sa iteration sorry 300 din na. How about 30 first? So, as you can see sa screen, dito siya sa lowest gradient ay lowest na value. So, that's how the gradient descent work. So, kung mamili mo ka ng minimal lang is gamit ta og gradient descent. Pag kung maximize naman sad, gamitan nato siya og gradient ascent. So, that's how the gradient descent works and na calculator itong gigamit para mag-verify na to.